Hickory Dickory Dog by Alison Murray. Hickory dickory dock, a dog, a boy, a clock. The day's begun, it's time for fun. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dear, Rufus has to stay here. There's a wine and a pine and a wet paint sign. Hickory dickory dear. Hickory dickory dare, dogs aren't allowed in there. A sneaky peek through, then a hullabaloo. Hickory dickory dare. Hickory dickory dee, hooroo, hurrah, yippee! The clock strikes 11, it's make-a-mess heaven. Hickory dickory dee. Hickory lickory lunch, some yummy food to munch. The clock strikes noon, Zack's dropped his spoon. Hickory lickory lunch. Hickory dickory doo, uh-oh, a gloop of glue. The weather is fine, so it's garden time. Hickory dickory doo. Hickory stickory stack, a scritchety scratchety back. Time is up, you mucky pup. Hickory stickory stack. Higgledy piggledy pup, it's home to clean you up. The clock strikes 5, slip slide crash dive. Higgledy piggledy pup. Hickory flickery fly, Rufus still needs to get dry. First a bit of an itch, then a twist and a twitch. Hickory flickery fly. Hickory dickory dock, a dog, a boy, a clock. Now it's time for the end of the rhyme. Hickory dickory dog.